How to set call duration limit in Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your Play Store, then tap on the search icon, then type call timer, then tap on search, then tap on call timer, and tap on install. Now wait for the app to open. Now after installing, simply tap on open. Now give the permissions. Again tap on allow. Now select call timer, then tap on set as default. Now tap on OK. Now click on allow, then tap on minutes. Now select the call duration limit and tap on save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.